All right, Tyler and me are getting ready to start on the bus today. I just wanted to show you a quick video of my package that just came from UPS. Oh, never mind, it's not there. Still waiting. But we're going to tear into this, get it going. We're going to finish bolting up the transmission back on, and then get ready to start installing liners. All right, we're putting our anti-seize on our bolts, so that never happens again. Plus, this kind of bolt isn't really going to do that. It still will. Not like those steel ones.
It's also coarse threads. It's not going to take all day to get it spun off next time.
So getting that motor mount bolt, turn me around here, the one that's back there, back through this hole. I gotta get everything lined up right. Looks like I'm a little bit too high with the engine right now. Bring it down. Hey, that's threaded. Getting a little bit dirty today. Pulling it in.
Put the wrench back on, I'll let you know. Yeah, the socket's not spinning.
Okay.
This has been hours in the making, but the bolt is finally through enough that we got the nut on
Like
it.
we started this at noon.
It was like 11 when we started
Well, we
this.
took a lunch break though.
I don't know, it's like almost 3 o'clock, I think.
Holy shit.
So, solid. Yeah, it's been way too long today, just on one bolt.
One of us is a lot dirtier than the other.
I still fully subscribe to the fact that I am here to help, which means that I will spend as much time not laying under a bus as possible.
I don't think that's pulling in.
I'm watching the socket. The socket is not turning.
Gojo wipes that I use. They're really amazing if you think about how nasty I am right now. One side's got like a scrubby surface on it. It's a little bit more aggressive. Looks like I'm wearing a glove now.
It also does make a difference. Those Gojo ones work a lot better than the other ones.
I've tried the tub of towels. I've tried other brands.
I've got a bucket of scrubs in my work truck, because that's what the hydraulic shop had in stock when I ran out. And they don't look half as good as the gray stuff of Gojo's.
Oh, that hand got clean just from holding it. This is really thick, greasy, nasty stuff. This is going to be a 2-towel experience here. But this one's still cutting it.
You need to get that response for this.
Yeah. Let me go get the container and show them what it looks like. So that's the Gojo scrubbing towels. I'll put a link to it we got mine from Amazon. We just got an extra deal, right? Because we ordered 6 at once or something?
Yeah, you get like 2 free if you order 6 at a time. You're paying for 4 bucks and you get 6.
It's Amazon Prime too, right?
Yeah. I think I have to go in the house and get a shower now.
Yeah. Mom wouldn't let me in the house. I started out with gloves on. This is how it always ends up. The scrubby side. I'm going to use the other side. Jeez, our Pete's.
You really need to get on your eyes and nose.
I like to use these because when I'm on the bus, I don't have to take as long of a shower. and I don't have to waste the gray water or the water, the fresh water, to be able to. Jeez. Oop! Switch to the scrubby side on accident.
Nice.
So yeah, I had a dirty face. Finished cleaning up with my hands. Took me 3 today, but man, I'm probably dirtier than any of you ever been in your entire life.
And this is a normal day.
That's on the outside, not just on the inside. Okay, we spent about 3.5 hours today, and all we really got done is just that one bolt for the transmission. I didn't want to be under there and have it and have the engine fall. Having Tyler and me under there doing the bearings and stuff. So we got it. It's in there now. It just took forever. It started to rain, so we called it a day. I am still. You saw me clean my face, and it looks like I got eye makeup on, but I don't. That's just how dirty I was from being under that into that bus today. That transmission's nasty. I didn't clean the bottom of that before I got working on the engine. So I didn't think I was going to be doing any of that. But anyways, tomorrow, a few hours worth of work. We'll have the pistons, liners, bearings, all that stuff in on the bottom end. I just didn't want to be. It was too unsafe for us to be laying under there where that engine could actually fall out of there. The welding piece is done by Danny. I got to go pick it up, and then everything will be done as far as the cradle and the structure support of the engine. So we're real good. That's great, and we'll see you tomorrow. That's Danny Dynamite Welding. That's his phone number there. It's area code 317. We're in Indy, and he's the guy that did the welding on here for me. So where I had that big nasty crack. So he knows what he's doing with aluminum. I've used him on several projects before, broken manifolds and stuff like that, and he's always able to take care of it for me. It's about $50. Pretty good deal. We're measuring the destination sign for the Silversides bus here. It's 29 inches across, and the letters were 4 inches tall.
Yes.
And this is the original destination sign that's in there from 1947. It actually is stamped on the back from 47. Somebody's added a couple things to it. Which way is it? Well, I'm going to stop. It does work. We normally change it to some of the different cities that we go to. The sun is getting to some of it there. So we're going to make a new one for that. Got a new little toolkit today. This is a Craftsman set, and it's done in the gunmetal chrome. It was on sale at Lowe's, $149 I believe is what it was. Plus we get a discount for using our Lowe's card, so it's a few dollars less than that still. I think we say 5% or something like that. It's a 150 piece set. The gunmetal stuff I like the feel of it, and I had abandoned Craftsman a few years ago. I was really worried about their future and getting warranty exchanges and stuff. But Lowe's are everywhere now, and Lowe's has a big selection, and they're honoring any of the warranty on any of the Craftsman stuff. So I feel confident about that. I wanted something that was easy to carry. I could just take it from spot to spot with me, so I don't have to pull out individual things from my case. Plus, if something's missing, it's easy to tell. So I really like this kind of set. I was just showing it off. I thought it was a pretty good deal. It's not super heavy. And since I've been having problems with tracking down the Snap-on guy and the Mac guy when I need something warranty replaced. And it kind of talks about what it's got there. 44 pieces in the 3/8 inch and 34 pieces in the 1/4 inch, 20 pieces in the 1/2 inch. So it's all going to be double stuff that I have, but I think it'll just be easier for me to do that. 38 pieces, that's the little bits and stuff. I don't think that really counts. The wrenches, I'll never use the metric stuff, but in case I do. The warranty, so I think I think it'll be nice. We'll see how I like it. If not, it's something. I just it's easy for me to get, from one spot to another when I'm working on a bus, just to carry a kit where it's got most of that stuff. Obviously, I need a lot bigger things for other jobs, but just for the little tinkering and stuff like that, I think it'll be a nice little set. And again, I like the gunmetal chrome on it. This is our big printer. We have a big printer here. We print backgrounds for photography, print on fabric. So we'll make that roll sign. That's over 5 foot wide is that printer. It's a large format. I'm going to design and get the new destination sign done on the bus. So there's the design of the new destination sign that's going to go on the bus. Just a quick update on that boat. If you remember that I did that terrible Yanmar engine on, the thing that had been torn apart for years with the head off of it. It had a bent rod in it really bad. It got submerged in a hurricane. Anyways, I rebuilt it, and it had the rusty water in it for 2 years with the head off sitting in the bilge area or the engine bay of the boat. But if you remember that engine, I rebuilt it, and he sent me some video of it today going down the river. Heading out to the ocean. He's taking it to the Bahamas, and he's got several hours on it. I think he had over 10 hours on it just running at the dock before he took it out, and then now it's got many, many more hours on it. And it's doing real good. And it's got one cylinder is a little bit weak on it. That's because of that injection pump on it. But it is running on all 3 cylinders, little 40 horsepower Yanmar. It's one of 2 engines that power that boat. It's a 50-foot catamaran, 27 and a half, I think, or something like that, wide. So it's a big, big boat, and it's doing real good. So I just wanted to give you an update, and I'll show that video that he sent me from that.